Alright, so we got some more earbuds. This is from a brand named Linpa World. Now these retail for $29.99. The price may vary depending on when you watch this, if it fluctuates, if it goes higher or lower. Check the links in the description for the updated pricing. Now these are their new pink earbuds. There's not too many specs around the box, but I'll go ahead and throw the specs up on the left. I believe these have CVC 8, a pretty good amount of battery. They have Type-C obviously. So first off, we have a 2 hours refund. So within 24 hours, you'll get a 2-hour refund. And then on the back, you have a 90-day refund or return policy. Right here, we have the earbuds itself. We'll put that to the side for a second. They obviously are pink. And then right here, we have extra silicone tips, large and small, and a Type-C to Type-A charging cable. And underneath here, we have these. If you need to, you can screenshot that and like zoom in if you need to. Same for this. All right, so these charge at a 5-volt. It says only charge it with a 5-volt. Don't try to charge it with a 6, 9, or 12-volt charger to avoid burning or fire hazards, I guess. That's typical for most things, but you can technically still charge it since it's the safety already. All right, so let's get into the earbuds. They're right here. It has Linpa World on top. It has like a nice fake leather texture on top, as well as the bottom. Nice, pretty nice hinge. Very quiet in the closing for magnetic. So you just take them out and they'll automatically start pairing. They do have like a peel off thing right here that you have to take off. Now I did already take it off and test it out and make sure they work. They do work. They sound amazing. So let's go ahead and show you the actual drivers here. So this is what the drivers look like. That's how big it is. I think it was like an 8mm, not too sure. But they look chunky, but they actually fit in pretty well, surprisingly, and they're not like actually super big in the ear. They fit nice and flush, and they actually are kind of fashionable, to be honest. So this is what they look like. I like that they have pink silicone tips instead of white or black, because that actually would make a difference if they were different color. Just attention to detail. Without further ado, I think they don't have the right and left branding, so it's kind of hard to differentiate if you, I guess, mix them like this. It would be hard to differentiate this one's the left and right. So it does have an LED indicator right there. They do turn white. There's 4, and right now it's at full charge. On the top of the case, it says it's IPX5 version 5.0 for Bluetooth. 5 input is 5 volts, 1 amp, 45 milliamp each for each battery, and I'm pretty sure the case is about 300 to 500 milliamps. I'll put it in the beginning. You'll see that. But overall, very lightweight, very compact. Fits right in the hand. Very tiny. Now there is easy pairing access. All you have to do is just go to Bluetooth on your device, and then go ahead and open up the earbuds. Make sure you have that little peel off tab gone, and then it will pop up somewhere right here. Now mine's already connected right there, so I'll go ahead and connect it. I think you have to take them out the case first. Yep, so you have to take them out the case and then they will connect. I guess that's smart in case you have like a kid or something that's opening, closing it or whatever. It won't pair and then unpair, pair, unpair, whatever. And then you can go ahead and put them in your ear. I'm not going to put them in your ear because of hygiene purposes. I obviously am not going to be using these, but they do sound good. I've tried it with a different pair of silicone tips. Now I did a stereo test, so I did left and right. They do go in sync. I did a low latency test. It will sync up perfectly. I did a low, mid, and high test. The lows sound pretty good. Mids sound really good, and the highs sound pretty good. So overall, very good pair of earbuds. Overall, 30 bucks. I'm not gonna lie, these are really good. If they have them in different colors, I probably would buy them. Very lightweight, and it pairs really fast. So really amazing pair of earbuds. I highly recommend it.